All right, so how about a little bit of Johnnie Taylor? Johnnie Taylor, man, one of the iconic, legendary soul artists. Talked about soul heaven, but today we're talking about just because. I have a little fun. Oh my goodness, we're gonna be in the key of D flat, C sharp, D flat, whatever you want to call it. So let's see the progression. Of course, we got an intro. What is it? It'd be something. We're gonna play along with it, okay? We're gonna play along with it here after we go over it. But it's here. We stand on that D, and then we gonna walk it up to the 4. Then you go here. All right, that's the verse. Just because. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 All right, now let's put some chords with it. So we got a D major. Ooh, my goodness, that sound good. Then we're gonna walk it up. So we got a E minor. Well, excuse me, an E flat minor rather. A F minor, G flat major. That's the F minor 7. We could play an A7. We can play an A4, sus4. So that's bar from the 8th fret. I mean from the 4th fret on the E string. And then we got ring finger right there on the A string of the 6th fret. And then we got pinky finger on the G string of the 6th fret. It likes to go to that 7 after that. And then where we go? I think it go. I love you. Where we go? To a B. Y'all, that sound good. Let's play along with it. Let's play along with it, y'all. Let's play along with it. Let's get this up. Let's get this up. All right, so that sounds like that's what our intro was. It was just a. Then we starting. Okay. So it was. Let's see. So and then instead of A flat major, we did a. I think that's what we're going. Let's see. Let's see. So that would be so we did the A minor. That's our transition. All right, let's play. Let's play. That's the A. Can we do it again? Now, since we're in D flat, we can play some B flat, B flat. Where we at? Oh. Just because Johnnie Taylor. Man, I hope that lesson is a blessing to you, all right? Y'all keep on playing some soul music now. Make sure you make sure just because don't quit making excuses. Quit making excuses. Love her. Treat her right. Make her feel special. Treat him right. Make him feel special. Ooh. Ooh. Don't get burned out on love. I love y'all. Take care.